The Senior Housing Income Tax Credit allows a refundable housing tax credit for qualifying seniors. Any senior, surviving spouse, or disabled veteran who claimed the partial senior property tax exemption on or before August 15, 2024, for the 2024 tax year does not qualify for the Senior Housing Income Tax Credit. If you aren't sure whether you claimed the partial senior property tax exemption, you can verify this information by reviewing your property tax statement from the previous year. A qualifying senior must be 65 years of age or older at the end of 2024, have a federal adjusted gross income, or AGI, less than or equal to $75,000 as a single filer, or less than or equal to $125,000 if filing jointly. Income-qualified seniors who satisfy all preceding requirements qualify for the credit regardless of whether they own or rent their home or have other living arrangements. The credit amount is $800 for a qualifying senior filing a single return with an AGI less than or equal to $25,000. For every $500 of AGI above $25,000, the credit amount is reduced by $8. In the case of two taxpayers who share the same primary residence and who may legally file a joint return but file separate returns, the credit amount is $400 if both taxpayers claim the credit and the AGI must be less than or equal to $25,000. For every $500 of AGI above $25,000, the credit amount is reduced by $4. For two taxpayers filing jointly, the credit amount is $800. The federal AGI must be less than or equal to $25,000, and for every $500 of AGI above $25,000, the credit amount is reduced by $4. If you received a return-adjusted letter and believe you were incorrectly denied the credit, please respond to the letter with the following information: your name, phone number, and email address, a copy of your property tax statement from your county assessed for the year on the tax return. For a tax return due on April 15, 2025, the property tax bill will be for tax assessed during 2024 and payable in 2025. And any sale information for previously owned homes that may have had the senior property tax exemption. Please note that if you receive a property tax credit, this disqualifies you from receiving the Senior Housing Income Tax Credit of a potentially greater dollar amount. Qualifying seniors may claim the credit on their Colorado Individual Income Tax Return, DR 0104, or Colorado Property Tax Rent Heat Rebate Application, DR 0104 PTC. A completed individual credit schedule, DR 0104 CR, must be submitted with the DR 0104 to claim the credit. If the allowable credit exceeds the qualifying senior's tax liability, the excess credit will be refunded to them. Thank you for watching this video on the Senior Housing Income Tax Credit.